Hi, my name is Niccolo, and I'm a laboratory technician working in the R&D department at DDChem. DDChem is the Italian leading producer of epoxy systems and hot melt polyamides. Born in 2003, with latest generation plants and laboratories, serves a wide range of industries with renewed efficiency and unparalleled quality. The company has been growing steadily ever since and is now present in many parts of the world through a trusted network of distribution partners. In this presentation, I'm going to show you a range of salicylic acid-free epoxy hardeners, one of our latest product developments. First, I'm going to give you an overview about the project. Then, I'm going to present you three different hardener categories: amine adducts, polyamide adducts, and mannich base. So, let's start. As DDChem, we strive to meet future market expectations and forecast our customer needs. New product development is focused on greener chemistry with an eye on environmentally friendly and safer solutions. It is in this context that we decided to work on salicylic acid-free products. In May 2020, salicylic acid will change its labeling due to worsening of product classification. In particular, salicylic acid will include the phrase H361, suspected of damaging the unborn child. As a consequence of this, the health hazard safety pictogram will appear on products containing salicylic acid. In order to avoid this classification worsening, there are two possible solutions. The first and the easiest one is to reduce the content of salicylic acid under 3%. The second solution is the complete replacement of salicylic acid with a less hazardous reagent. We opted for this solution because it is safer, since it completely eliminates the problem and allows to prevent even future classification changes. The first category of salicylic acid-free hardeners are modified cycloaliphatic amine adducts. Salicylic acid-free alternatives are formulated in order to have equal chemical and physical properties compared to the original products. The main application is as hardener for flooring and for coating, featuring excellent leveling and wetting properties, fast curing, and bright appearance of the layer. Let's start with medium viscosity products. CA489 is the alternative to CA488, and CA166 is the alternative to CA165. All the alternatives are salicylic acid-free and have a greater VOC-free content compared to the original products. As you can see, chemical and physical properties of salicylic acid-free CA166 are the same compared to the original product CA165. Salicylic acid is a great reagent to enhance short D development. Because of this, hardness measurements are fundamental during product development. Short D development of salicylic acid-free alternatives with modified epoxy resin Itapox 127 is comparable with the original product containing salicylic acid. Everything looks great, right? But I know what you're thinking. Is the classification of the new alternatives really going to be better? To answer this question, we have created a draft of the MSDS as they would be after May 2020, when the new salicylic acid classification starts. Since the content of salicylic acid in Ca165 is under 3%, there's no health hazard pictogram, but still there is an improvement in the MSDS of Ca166, since it doesn't have the risk phrase H3O2, harmful if swallowed. Ca489 version 2 is the salicylic acid-free alternative to Ca488 with comparable physical and chemical properties. As you can see, Sure D development is comparable with the original product. As for the MSDS, in this case, the 2020 scenario shows great improvement for the salicylic acid-free alternative. No risk phrase H332 and H361, and of course, no health hazard pictogram. Let's now move to low viscosity modified cycloaliphatic amine adducts. Ca489LV is the salicylic acid-free alternative to Ca488LV with equal chemical and physical properties and comparable Sure D development with Etopox 127. As for 2020 MSDS scenario, again here, no risk phrase H332 and H361, and of course, no health hazard pictogram. Ca269 version 104 is the salicylic acid-free alternative to Ca269 version 18. The last product is Ca166LV. In this case, MSDS 2020 scenario regards mainly the risk phrase H3O2, harmful if swallowed. Let's now recap all the products we have seen, starting from medium viscosity hardeners, Ca166 version 1 and Ca489 version 2. And here we have low viscosity hardeners, Ca489LV version 1, Ca166LV version 1, and Ca269 version 104. Let's now move on to the second product category, salicylic acid-free polyamide adducts. In this category, we have worked on alternatives of two well-established DDChem products, etamide FL520S and FL560S. These two modified polyamide adducts have now a salicylic acid-free alternative, ready for your applications. The main applications of the product are as primer for flooring, adhesion promoter, and for coating, featuring excellent leveling and wetting properties, excellent corrosion resistance, fast curing at low temperatures, down to 5 to 10 degrees Celsius and great adhesion on wet substrates. New salicylic acid-free alternatives feature similar chemical and physical properties. Here we can see etamide PDFL521S version 12. Also, hardeners is comparable, as we can see from short D development with etopox 127. And here, short D development with etopox 50. In this slide, you can see an application of the original FL520S and FL521S version 12 with etopox 127. The product was applied on a concrete tile at room temperature and cured at 10 degrees Celsius. Here we have a picture of the same application but with etopox 50. As you might notice, in both applications, the new salicylic acid-free alternative is less yellow and forms a brighter layer. As for the 2020 MSDS scenario, there is a big improvement in the new salicylic acid-free alternative. In fact, the risk phrase H302, H360, and H373 are not included in the new product. The second salicylic acid-free alternative is etamide PDFL561S version 3. This product is similar from a chemical and physical point of view to FL521S version 12, but it features a greater hardeners that we can see from the short D development with etopox 127. And in this picture, you can see the application on a concrete tile at 10 degrees Celsius. And here as well, you can notice that the new salicylic acid-free alternative is less yellow and forms a brighter layer compared to the original product FL560S. Since the content of salicylic acid in FL560S is under 3%, the improvement in the MSDS is based on the elimination of the risk phrase H302, harmful if swallowed. The two polyamide adducts have similar chemical and physical properties. The main difference is in the flexibility. FL521S version 12 features excellent flexibility. Instead, FL561S version 3 is more focused on hardeners and greater short D development. The last products I'm going to present are salicylic acid-free mannich base. Etamine MB400 PFF and MB401 PFF version 1 are two salicylic acid-free mannich base modified with aliphatic amines. The main applications of the product are as epoxy hardener for flooring application on wet, moist materials, as adhesion promoter, and to accelerate epoxy systems. They feature excellent curing performance at low temperature down to 0-10 degrees Celsius, high resistance to humidity and water spotting, and great adhesion on different type of substrates. Etamine MB401 PFF version 1 is the faster version compared to etamine MB400 PFF. Here you can see tag-free time of the two products and short D development after 6 hours with etopox 50 and etopox 127. And for MSDS 2020 scenario, there is no health hazard pictogram for both products. This concludes our journey through our salicylic acid-free products range: amine adducts, polyamide adducts, and mannich base. Safer products with reduced VOC content and equal chemical and physical properties. Whatever your business and applications are, the best thing you can do is give it a try.